Sir Neil, I am now turning over to you the 24 strong, talented,
and beautiful.
Wow! And beautiful. And I know that these teachers are really very very cooperative in terms of their work in school. And to include the SIP, AIP, and the PPMP, and the school buildings, which are some are in good condition and the others are for demolition. And I know with your leadership, you will continue our butterfly in DepEd, which is towards excellence and our commitment to our teachers and to our pupils.
Thank you, Sir Don.